Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate ladder diagram for XOR gate. Before going into the ladder diagram, let us first take a look at the truth table. According to XOR gate operation, when both the inputs are the same, the output must be 0. For example, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, the output is 0 as the inputs are same, that is 0 according to this case. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, the output is 1 as both the inputs are different in this particular case. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, the output is 1 as again both the inputs are different. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, the output is 0 as the inputs are same, that is 1 according to this case. Having said that, now let us take a look into the ladder diagram. Now, how do we correlate this ladder diagram with the truth table and justify that it is correct? Before that, one important observation that needs to be made is that here the contact that has a slash that is indicated over here is called as normally closed contact. That is, it acts as closed switch when it is not energized. Once it is energized, the switch opens and acts as open circuit. Now let us consider case 1 when switch A and B both are 0. Here contact with slash for A and B will be energized in this particular fashion as they are normally closed contacts. The circuit is not complete as the normally open contacts for A and B is not excited. Hence in this case the light does not glow. Case 2, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, which can be achieved by pressing the push button switch B, consequently normally open contact B gets energized and acts as short circuit. On the other hand, normally closed contact for A will also be acting as short circuit when it is not energized. The path gets complete as indicated in green and the light glows in this case. As a result, we can conclude it follows the truth table for case 2. Case 3. Now when A is equal to 1, which can be achieved by pressing the push button switch for A and B is equal to 0, consequently normally open contact of A gets energized and acts as short circuit. On the other hand, normally closed contact for B will also be acting as short circuit when it is not energized. The path gets complete as indicated in green and the light glows in this case. Hence it is according to the case of our truth table. Now when both the push buttons A and B are pressed, that is for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, the normally closed contacts for A and B get energized as indicated. However, the path is not complete for the current to flow through the load. As a result, the light does not glow in this case. This ladder diagram clearly justifies the truth table of XOR gate and hence it is referred to as ladder diagram for XOR gate. I hope you had a great insight about the ladder diagram for XOR gate. If you like this video, then please do like it, share it and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.